Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Make Your Facebook Account Completely Private on iPhone. So, let's dive right in. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on Profile Locking, and then tap on the Lock Your Profile button. Your profile is now locked. Go back to Settings and tap on How People Can Find and Contact You. Set Who Can Send You Friend Requests to Friends of Friends, and Who Can See Your Friends List to Only Me. Return to the Settings and tap on Posts. In the Who Can See Your Future Posts section, change the setting to Only Me. Navigate back to the Settings menu and tap on Profile and Tagging. Set all options to Only Me and toggle off Allow others to share your post to their stories. Now, your Facebook account on your iPhone is completely privatized. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.